Who's ready for another plant video? Hi, I'm back. It's me, Elliott. Today we're going to learn about this is our Chancho Tomentosa chocolate soldier, and it's called that because for the chocolate soldier puppies, they have these brown thingies and stand straight like a soldier. It's also called a panda plant because it's all fuzzy like this and very cute looking for lots of people. And I'm very excited to show you something because the old growth are these huge green plants, which is old, and these white frosted color ones right here are the babies, which are new growth. And this is what they look like. Baby, baby, baby. And you know what that means? Propagating time! And since that it's propagating time, we have to cut enough of stem and then we have to cut off the bottom leaves, and that will be for the end of the video. And we just cut off the bottom leaves. You have to pretend that this is the trunk of a tree. This is what they look like getting cut off. Now we're gonna plant it. This one has roots, which is even more better to propagate. We're gonna do the same thing, and there. This one doesn't have any bottoms, so we don't even have to cut the leaves. This one is tricky, kids. Okay, right there. Let's keep going, kids. Into the dirt we go. Just a few more babies left, kids. We have to cut off this little guy. This is what it looks like. Now we're gonna plant it right here. Just 2 to 3 babies left, kids. And one more baby left. One more left, kids. And remember, you always have to spread them apart. There. This might be very shocking, kids, but do you guys see all this new growth? Well, we have to cut it. Which is really hard to cut. And now we have to cut off the leaves again for this one. Now we did it. Now we're ready. We have to make a very long hole and make it very hard for it to. Look at all these babies we have. Look, 2 partners, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. This is gold moss. And now we're gonna put it in a little small pocket right here for it. And there's a companion. And remember, get your soil ready first. Now we're gonna put it in. Now we have a companion plant right here. So they're really good companion plants, also known as friends, because they don't need very much water and they like a lot of sun. When these seed gold moss get bigger to adults, it'll look even more beautiful than it is right now. Now let's talk about these leaves we cut off. Since the succulents are so easy to propagate, we just have to lay them and they'll make their own root in just about a couple of weeks, like a month or so. This is a a great way to recycle pots like these plastic ones, kids. The most important part is you use the part you cut it with and put it inside with the cut part. Just a few more, kids. Whee! And you can do this with pretty much any type of succulent, like these panda plants. But for now, bye!